Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is November the 12th, 2021. This is going to be our Shiba Inu price prediction update into the market for this currency. We want to see whether or not there is insane opportunity still to be had in Shiba Inu. Is there still big growth potential for this particular cryptocurrency? Welcome to HueFin. We're also known as HueFin News. We're going to give you all a realistic price prediction into the market for Shiba Inu. You guys can tell that we already predicted the market price in Shiba Inu, and currently the price has been going the direction we said it was going to go, which is down. And now you guys can see that we're closely approaching this overall trend into the market in Shiba Inu. We need to make an determination as to whether or not this price is going to continue in line with the trend, which is going up in price, or are we going to break the trend and see the market in Shiba Inu break down. So if you guys enjoy the content, you enjoy the simplicity, the non-complexities that we have here on this channel, make sure you keep it locked in here. Hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe here to our channel. So let me go ahead and first of all talk about our last price prediction, which was on November the 3rd, 2021. You guys can go back and listen to that particular video if you want to, but you guys can see what happened to the price. We predicted the market in Shiba Inu to go down, and that's precisely what it did. Matter of fact, we had our ultimate TP price around 23.5% right here, around 500 thousandths of a penny. Market did come there and went actually a little bit lower than that, around 400 thousandths of a penny into the market in Shiba Inu. So a pretty good call. I mean, what? 23.5% is a pretty good call for us to anticipate the price in Shiba Inu to go down. That has already occurred. That is done. That is over. Let's see where price is going to go now real quick. So let me go ahead and get rid of this. And you guys can tell from our last video, we was really looking for the market in Shiba Inu to hold this 600 thousandths of a penny support area, but it didn't do it. And then as a matter of fact, we even had a couple of days right here on November the 7th, the 8th, and the 9th of November to come in and try to break back up above that support number, and it didn't do it. So generally, is there a huge opportunity of big gains to occur into the market in Shiba Inu? Right now, it doesn't look like it based off the price history in this market for Shiba Inu. All right, so let me go ahead and get rid of this. Let me get rid of this horizontal line too as well, because for us, we only focus in on the price. Price is the only thing that matters. If you guys can predict where people are doing with their money, where they're buying, where they're selling, you guys can actually predict where the market's going to go. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to extend out this ascending line now, because this is going to play a very important role into where Shiba Inu is going to go into the future, right? So for our premise, check this out. As long as the price in Shiba Inu continues to trade above this ascending line, we're going to be bullish. We're going to expect the price to go up. It's just that easy, just that simple. So as we're seeing this market come back down toward this ascending line, it's going to be real important for us to see strength come into the market in Shiba Inu right here around 500 thousandths of a penny to hold support, maybe even at 500 thousandths of a penny. It will have to hold support there. So as we're still anticipating some slight weakness to occur into the market in Shiba Inu, pay attention to those price levels, because it's going to let us know what the market is anticipating to do into the future. All right. So let's go ahead and take a look at the price chart in Shiba Inu on a different time frame then. Let's start off on a 3-day. All right. So let's look at the market in Shiba Inu on a 3-day time frame, because I like what happened right here on this last completed 3-day price bar. All right. We saw the market get inundated with selling, but even the buyers into the market over the last 3 days was able to overcome the selling, which is a very positive thing to take note of in Shiba Inu. We need to see this be maintained, because right now on this current 3-day price bar, we're still seeing the sellers. The sellers are still present. Now we still got 2 days and 13 hours left. So definitely this 3-day price bar that is currently forming is not necessarily going to look the same that it looks right now. We got 2 days and 13 hours before it completes. But that last 3-day price bar lets us know that there's still some buyers in Shiba Inu, that people still think that Shiba Inu is a relatively cheap price because they're looking for the market to go up. Let's look at this on the 2-day. So this is the 2-day time frame into the market of Shiba Inu. So what I'm seeing on the 2-day time frame is literally what I said earlier, that the buyers are stepping into the market in Shiba Inu right here around 500 thousandths of a penny here and 4,500 of a thousand penny right there. So let's check this out on the 5-day then. This is the 5-day time frame into the market in Shiba Inu. We're starting off looking at the volume decrease in Shiba Inu. Check this out. The last 5-day price bars, the market volume has been on a decrease as price been going down. So it kind of lets us know that the sellers are getting out the way in Shiba Inu. Very good thing, because we don't need to see the volume increase if we're trying to expect the market go up while price has been going down, because it definitely lets us know that the majority of the market participants are selling still. So by us seeing this volume decrease in Shiba Inu is a pretty good thing to note on a 5-day time frame. It's very good to see that. Now let's look at this on the weekly. All right, so we got 2 days and 13 hours left so far into the market in Shiba Inu. Now again, I'm going to keep it real. We're not necessarily out the woods yet in Shiba Inu to see the price go down. We would definitely need to see this market come in and test that ascending line on the chart. All right, so this is the 11-hour chart into the market in Shiba Inu. You guys can see over here the last completed 11-hour time frame that the market did go down, and there's still weakness here. We got to see that. We have to recognize it for what it is, that the market here in Shiba Inu is still giving us some weakness. We're still in a downtrend into the market in Shiba Inu. So let me give you these price levels to let us know what market is going to do. Okay, so if we're able to see the price in Shiba Inu break above 600 thousandths of a penny to the upside, then yeah, we're going to see the market go back up in price. If we see the market unable to hold support at 500 thousandths of a penny as support, or even 4,500 thousandths of a penny, we're going to expect the price in Shiba Inu to go down. So keep your eyes located on those price levels and see what market does. Okay, so now let me switch this back over to the daily time frame into the market in Shiba Inu. I'm still looking at the weekend so far. Okay, I'm still playing in weakness into the market in Shiba Inu, but everyone who is bullish into the market, I know everyone on YouTube is freaking trying to tell you all that it's going to go to a penny and $1 and $5. But rest assured, if the market truly was going to do that, the price chart will be reflecting the strength. Okay, so I'm not extremely bearish, so just relax. I'm just simply stating that we need to see the market confirm support on this ascending line, or better, no lower than 4,500 thousandths of a penny. We can't let the market break that. Okay, so that is where I'm going to look for the market to try to come in ultimately and grab support. Now I got a couple of areas to where I would take the bag, from where I would take the profitability from this weakness that I am anticipating. First area is that 500 thousandths of a penny area. First, I would definitely come into the market and TP out the market here in Shiba Inu. Now there's less than 5% profitability, but I could see the market trying to grab support there. So before the market actually reverses course of going down to going up, let's take the profitability out the way, which gives us around 4.71%. I'll take that, because I can see if the market was to hold support at 500 thousandths of a penny, I need to go ahead and take the bread then. Now, if I still see weakness at 500 thousandths of a penny, then I'm going to take the other profitability right around 4,500 thousandths of a penny right there. All right. But everything is going to hinge on what price does on this ascending line. Everything. So keep your eyes open on the price movement in Shiba Inu over the next 2 to 3 days, I would say. So I said that 600 thousandths of a penny, right? As long as the market in Shiba Inu does not break above that number, 600 thousandths of a penny, we're going to continue to play the weakness here. Okay. But again, I'm not being extremely weak. We have to anticipate not only price going up, price also goes down. You have to anticipate these price moves as well, so that you won't be caught off guard. So when Shiba Inu drops 45%, you won't be scared, and you won't be seeing all these YouTubers coming in and tell you why the market in Shiba Inu dropped 45%. It doesn't benefit us for you to come in after the fact and tell us this is the reason why. No, you should have told us before time that price dropped 45% in Shiba Inu, so that we can make our own decision, so that we can be prepared for the drop. But so many times they can't see that. So this is our prediction. This is what I'm looking forward to into the market in Shiba Inu. Not too much weakness, just a little bit. And I'm definitely going to pay attention to see if we get the strength into the market in Shiba Inu, because if we do on this ascending line, then my price prediction will be invalidated. It will be voided. It won't have no sense. So I'm telling you how the play is going to work out into the market in Shiba Inu into the future from my perspective. So now you're part of our team, part of our community. You guys appreciate the work that we do. Make sure you hit that like button, share the video, and also drop your price prediction in the comment section and tell everyone what are you predicting into the market in Shiba Inu. Hit me up. And that's it. I'm done. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.